na kamati yako.
Ni mutongoria wa kamiti ya migunda bururi-ini Mohamed Swazuri agitetera wiro ria we na kamiti ya gikenda kamiti-ini ya migunda makoretwo makirutira muingi thutha wa ihinda riao ria miaka 6 gukinya muthia umuthi.
Na nafikiri sasa kazi kwetu.
Aroiga akoretwo akiruta wira na uigiriki muingi kuria kuringana nake gutire mundu ungi ungihota guthinga ithenya ake thutha wa kwehera, akiuga rungu rwa utongoria wao ni mahotete gutwithania macira milioni 2.6 ma migunda maingi mari kuma kaunti-ini ya Lamu.
We have done beyond expectations. The reason why we are being fought is because of our successes. People are not happy that a commission that was born just the other day could have achieved these things. So then the smear campaign comes in. Otherwise, I know that we have given thousands, millions of titles.
Oyete gutire undu na umwe ugituma erire ona thengia gukorwa gomeirwo ni macira ma gukumio.
I am very happy, I am satisfied. Other people will also come and take over from there and do everything. I mean, you cannot solve all the land problems in Kenya. Once you resolve one, you create another. That's the nature of land economics. So me, I'm satisfied, and I know I have done a lot. If I start enumerating to you the issues that we have resolved here, itafika paka kesho kutu.
Mamwe ma macira maria magomeire Swazuri ni thitango ithano cia gukumio kumana na marihi murihi wa migunda wakine wa SGR. Thitango iria ciothe areganite nacio. Hadi ni Hakameme TV, Jitego Maina, Kihumo.